Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your own custom emojis to your server in Discord. So doing so is really easy. All you have to do is open up the Discord server, you have admin privileges in, go to the server name in the top left, then click on server settings. And here let's scroll down and we should be able to see, here we go, expression, emoji. So let's click on upload emoji. And I have a few on my desktop that are ready to go. So it seems like you can't really do batch uploads, which is a bummer. So all you have to do is upload them one by one. And before long, you should be able to get through the list. So that's the idea. Really simple. You can even add animated emojis. Let's see if I have anything animated here. Doesn't seem so. But yeah, so it's really easy the way you add emojis, although some people find it a bit difficult to find exactly where you might have to add it. If you don't see the server settings tab, it might be because you don't have the specific privileges that allow you to add the emojis. And in doing so, you might want to contact maybe the server administrator or set up your server from scratch. But before we go, let's just check. Yep, there we go. Our custom emojis are working. I hope I was able to help. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And thank you for watching.